Welcome to my channel. I'm gonna give you a quick overview. I've built these machines. So this one is a homemade ATV, UTV. Made a timber trailer for it. This is my homemade mini loader. I've built this over a course of a year, and all the videos about these machines are available down there. Sometimes I do car content also. So this one, I use it as a tractor. This is my homemade wood splitter. And there will be some construction videos. This is the latest shed project. So the completed barn build series is available on the channel. And for the near future, we have some Audi Mark 1 TTs. This just had a minor accident. And we also have parts cars to make new projects. And there will also be some forest riding with the dirt bike. So if any of these machines tickle your brain, hit the subscribe button. That would help the channel a lot. And I'll happily answer any questions down in the comments, so feel free to ask. UTV 4x4, Volkswagen diesel engine, electric power steering. It pushes the snow. It has a plow. And has four-wheel steering, four-wheel drive, hydraulics. It can lift about a ton. It has a sealed cabin, a crane in the back. Just upgraded the tires, repaired some axles, fitted a winch, and using it to haul timber now. I used to do it with the UTV, but this is much more comfortable in the winter. So this is a walking type trailer with a regular car hitch, and it has a battery over there usually, and the electric winch with the crane can lift really heavy logs. It's just painfully slow. It also has a Volkswagen diesel engine from a Golf. So I like to reuse and give purpose to old cars, not just scrap them.